let's talk about the market as well. We are in the throes of a correction. No signs of FII buying, except of course for yesterday. But what is it looking like? Why do you think this correction is taking place? Do you think it's year-end adjustment that's at play? When do you expect this weakness to ebb? I mean, what is really happening especially after hitting record highs on the index level?
Yes, Nandita, what has happened to my mind is one thing which the market is missing is why is short covering not starting? When all the good news came, the GDP data was a positive. The repo rate cut was a good, pleasant surprise. At least 50% of them were not expecting any change. Still, with 91% of FIIs are short in index futures, the short covering rally is not starting. That is because in June, if I'm not wrong, SEBI brought in a circular which curtailed long positions in options market to 1,500 crore notional. After which, if you want to take any option delta position, not notional, delta position of 1,500 crores, you have to put cash and cash equivalent. Then there is zero leverage. Of course, so the point I'm trying to get to is, I was just wondering, 1 year back, if this would have happened, you would have seen Nifty touching 27,000 because the short guys would get caught. As soon as a 400-point rally, people are grappling to cover their shorts. That's not happening because one of the few countries which India is now, unfortunately or fortunately, of course, SEBI knows it very well. But I personally don't see that as a positive to have long positions being curtailed. So where is the weakness coming from? The weakness is coming from derivative market curtailing of long position. One. Second, does it mean that the market will not gravitate upwards? It will, but not at the same pace it would have without this limitation.
Okay, got your point. So, what should one really do at the current juncture? Should one sit on the sidelines, deploy now? Is it a good time? On the index level, of course, we hit a fresh record. We've seen some correction, but broader end of the markets is where the pain really is. How should one approach this market?
The broader market, I think